Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have something a little bit different. It's an app. It's for the iOS operating system and Android operating system, and may one day become an app for Windows as well. But in the meantime it's out for them too, and it's from a company called Coin, and it can help you get free gems in Brawl Stars and coins in Apex Legends. All you need to do is complete simple actions in the apps to start collecting coins and redeem iTunes or Google Play gift cards. You simply register to the app from the invite link in the video description down now. Validate the registration by completing 2 offers, and it's important that you do the 2 offers because it validates your registration. So with that, shall I show you what you need to do? Right, so you downloaded the app from the link in the description, you've installed it, you've registered your details, and now you need to validate the account. And the way to do that is you need to select 2 offers, any 2 offers. It could be an app install, a survey, or a sign up. It's entirely up to you, but you need to do that, and you need to do it virtually straight away. So as soon as you've registered your account, I suggest you do that. Register, do the 2 offers, and then it's completed and you're ready to do as many offers as you like, whether it be more installs, sign-ups or surveys. Do as many as you can, and with doing that, the more you do, the more points you're going to get. And with your points, they do take up to 72 hours before it's transferred over to your account. And then once you've done that and you're happy, and you've got enough points behind you, you can convert that into gems or coins. And all you've got to do is click on the little parcel box up here, the top right hand corner. Click on that and it will open up this page. And then you can select whether you want it for PlayStation, Xbox, Google Play, Steam, PayPal, whatever you want to convert your points from into, whether it be coins or gems. Select which country you're from, and that's it. That will convert over, and that should go virtually instant. It will take maybe a few minutes. It shouldn't take too long. Convert it over and away you go. So that's it. So it's quite easy to do. Not only that, another little feature it has as well is a thing called the Lucky Spin. Now once a day, when you open up the app, you can click on Lucky Spin and it will give you a free spin, and hopefully you can win some more points. So once you've done all that, you're away. And like I say, you can do as many apps as you like. You can do app install, survey, sign ups. It's up to you. The more you do, the more points you get. The more points you get, the more coinage you get, the more gems you will get as well. So with that, let's get back to Yorkie. Right, so that's it for this intro on this little app from Coin, and it's purely designed so that you can convert points into coinage or gems for things like Brawl Stars or Apex Legends, things like that. But obviously you need to do the surveys or download an app to try a game or something. And if you do try a game, make sure you do it for at least 45 seconds, and then you will get the points for that, or the surveys, anything like that. That's what it's designed for. So you have to give something for them to give you something back. And you can convert that, the points, you can convert that into gems, or you can convert it into coinage. It's up to you what you want to use it for. So I hope you like this little video, and if it's the sort of app that you're interested in, give me the thumbs up. And if you're not interested in it, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.